still waiting because of the DA40. Over there, it's waiting. Busy today. They're gonna have to watch out for the planes. If it turns left, then we'll go over there. That means it's taking off runway 19. Sorry, I didn't get that. I was just too busy looking at flat radar. Sorry. Alright, it's turning right or left. I bet it's turning right. Right, shoot away it goes. Left. Mum. Yeah. Let's go over there. Yeah, you can go up there. We're just talking out in car. Oh crap, this thing comes this way. Sorry I didn't get that fully. There it goes. We are off. Alright guys, we are not over. There's a jet coming soon. Cessna 26A Citation Latitude. Coming from the Gold Coast, arriving in approximately 4 minutes. It's on its final descent. I'll come back to you once I can see it. So I'm just going to come back here because it's now off radar. I only checked on it for like 3 seconds off radar. But the clash is, I don't know which runway it's coming in, so I'm freaking out and that's so good. My bets I'm placing on our runway 19, the one over there. The one that comes in over the town, and over there, that's the one that comes in from the outback. Or towards Narrabri. So that's the way coming south. That's the way where you come in south, and this is the way you come in north. So yeah, so I don't really know, but I'm expecting runway 19 because a lot of the DA40s were taking off all the way over there. So I'm expecting it to come in from that way. But since it's coming from that way, so I could expect it to land over there. So let's just wait and see. I have absolutely no idea, but it's gonna have to wait and see because. Right, so I see the jet. I don't know if you can see that, but it's around right there. I don't know where it just went. See that thing come out of that tower. Call it the Newcastle. Oh no, guys, scrap that. Literally scrap that. You see that plane right there? Yep. Well, there's another one up there. I'm thinking that is this one's a jet. This one's the DA40, and this one is a jet. Yeah, I'm starting to hear jet sounds. It's coming over. Here we go. It's coming right on me. It looks like it's going to be coming in runway 01. The car. This is Citation Latitude. So it looks like it's going to be coming in from runway 01 to 1 out from the runway. So 10:40 AM. This one has came from the Gold Coast. I don't know if you can see that, but like, I think there's a like jet high behind that right there. Yeah, I don't know if you see that, but it's like a blue dot. So yeah, and I will come back to you guys once it is on approach, because currently it's just going to circle out, and I'll see you later. So over here you may see a Beechcraft in there, but the clash is that it does take off soon, but it's 12 o'clock, and it's currently 10:40. I'm not going to be staying for another hour 20. I've already seen a Qantas plane, already seen a couple of DA40s, and now I'm seeing this, so I think I'll be good for my day. And yeah, guys, I want to also give you some updates. I just want to tell you, I just want to quickly say there's one up there. I don't know if you see that, the DA40. Yep, there's been a lot of DA40s today, because I just want to tell you quickly why there's a lot of DA40s. So the Australian Air Force cadets, they're doing this program called flying. It's not just called flying, it's basically flying. And this where like you fly around in DA40s, and they teach you, and next year when they do the program, the students, you have to be at least 13 years old to enter, but they're going to actually fly the plane lots with an instructor on board. But if they're really skilled with planes and they're really old, then I guess they might be able to fly solo. There's some updates. I don't know if I see it, but I'm going to go over here and see if I can see it. Right. Yeah. So I'm dead again. Yeah. I don't know if you see that, but I see it's on approach. It's up at that. So we'll just wait till it comes. Yeah, yep, you should see it now. So we're going to quickly make sure we can get a good view of it landing. So I don't know if we'll be able to see it touch down, but it's completely lost it. And I guess touch down right now, but we can't see it wobble. Oh crap, I just missed it. Oh well, I'll let you guys see it. I can review the recording after. This may be from there, because currently it's going to be low. So this isn't going to be much bigger. It's still going to be big. They're queued off the reverse thrust. It's still going to be big, but not bigger than that Qantas one. Okay, it starts turning. Now, I don't know where this is going. I thought it was going to Roma, but you see that Beech over here, that's going to Roma at 12. I don't know where this one's going. I think it's going somewhere at 5 o'clock. I don't know. I'll check later. We're face to face with. No, I don't know if this is going to be taken up the same line. I don't think so. It's not going to be parking over there. It's going to be parking somewhere over there. Good day, mate. How you going? Shut down the engines almost immediately after coming. Let's get a look at the blades. I hope you guys can see them blades. I should have seen it. See how it starts to come down. Like they're stopping on the turn back to school. Guys, this looks like an air charter sort of. Turning down now. Apparently the passengers deboarded when I was still going, but then I forgot that, but there's a DA40 landing right there. There's a bunch of people there. Guys, we've got a Diamond DA40 right there. Guys, just want to say today's been a great day for plane spotting. We've seen a lot of planes, a jet, a Qantas plane, a couple of DA-40s. It's amazing. We came at the right day. Yeah, this plane looks like a private charter. So I'm just going to quickly check for you guys when it's going to depart, and we probably won't see it depart, but I reckon it's going at, I think I saw something going at like 5 AM, so I will see then. Third video at 4:30, it's going back to the Gold Coast, and at 12 that Beech over there's going to go. Now, I don't know if, yeah, that's one of them. So it's been a great day. I wish I could live stream this, but I was like, nah, I just want to keep it videos. And I'll do sometimes, yeah. That was just a little weird noise going on. Anyways, I just want to say, if you want to have a look at our airport, it looks pretty nice, doesn't it? This is Moree Airport, MRZ, or Yankee Mike Oscar Romeo, so let me say that in normal ways. It's IATA code MRZ, or ICAO code Yankee Mike Oscar Romeo. Right, they're putting up the things, the jet covers. It says Citation, Latitude. You can't read that. They're going to cover it up because it's going in about like 6 hours. Not pretty long. Can't say that. I need to look for DA-40s because there's been a couple going around. They're pretty small planes. Can only fit about 5 passengers per thing. Yeah. Alright, so that concludes our plane spotting today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy this plane. So, you know how we were going to actually wrap up the video? I want to do something else. Before we wrap it up, I was going to show you some planes. So there we have, I don't know what the actual hell that is. But that's what it is, and it's probably not something to use for the conveyor belt. So when we go over here, we won't have some planes, but when we go around over there, we will have some more planes. Because the main hangar is somewhere over here. So as you can see, we still don't got some planes over there, but you can see the other one right there. I can't get a photo of it because some guys want a photo of it. I don't know what it is, but it's little. Yeah, I know what it is, but yeah. So we have 2 runways. If you want to use it professionally, we actually have 4. Runway 19, 01, 05, and 23, I think. We have one long one, which we mainly use, and a short one. Now, if you want questions about our Qantas link, it's comments from Sydney and to Sydney. Its flight number is QF218. 0, the one we just watched, and the one that took off is QF218. 2181, yep. Or if you want the course line, QLink 180 or QLink 182, QOK is QLink. And so as you can see, the Air Force cadets here, they're heading over for another flight. So I think they're going to high vis shirt. Here's the pilot. And as you can see, there's the house that they go. They go there every Thursday night for meetings, about 3 hours, 6 PM to 9. As you can see, we have an air tractor there. I have a photo pending for it. I don't know if it's going to get accepted on Jet Photos, but I don't know if it's going to get accepted. But if it does, I'll take a look at the registration, and so just search up Corey Plane Spotter on Jet Photos, and you can find some of my things pending. So you go around, have a look. There's some people. There's the wing. You see the wing, the yellow wing. Yeah, that's part of it. So I'll just quickly end it right here because I don't want to take up it's going to take up a long time uploading a couple of short videos, and yep. So we're back here. Yeah, so we'll just wait for some people at the Air Force cadets to do their business, and we'll have a look. So over there you can see we have a lot of Omeos things. So there's the air tractor right there that we're going to be doing. So the one that's closest to us, and so I'll show you what we have videos of. You see VHMFU, look up that. I should be a photo of a simulator thing. It's at night, but yeah. Next we have that one. HLIC, yeah, I've seen that a couple times. We have a Diamond DA40 over there. One over there. I think they sent over a Piper PA31 because they were supposed to send over 4 Diamond DA40s, but they didn't. So yeah. So there shouldn't be really any more much to show you, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. That brings the conclusion to our ultra plane spotting video at Moree Airport. I just want to say it usually isn't that busy. It's not as busy as Sydney Airport, Melbourne Airport, but you can still say it's busy. It's pretty busy for a small regional airport. Because especially since today we've had all the flying, it's still busy. Nonetheless, we've got 3 departures to go today, and I think 3 arrivals as well. Now, I just want to say we might not wrap it up because there's been a plane flying around for a bit. It's BH New South Wales. It matches the states that I'm in, New South Wales. But it's been a plane collecting data and doing random circles for so long. I don't know what's coming in, but it is just a shabby old like Cessna. Guys, I hear a Diamond DA40, and there is also a Tamworth in Tamworth, New South Wales. So same mistake. See that plane? That's from the Tamworth Flying School. That's, I think, pretty sure it's right now at Beech. Sorry for that cutout. I just said it's just a video stop button. But that's the one from Tamworth, and I don't know if it's going to come circle around to land here. If it is, then we'll have more. I don't want to keep saying I'm going to wrap it up, but there's just more interesting things to look at. But it looks like I don't think it's going to be coming here, but if it does, more plane spotting to look at. That's where we'll go. So we have to go before that comes in, that's where it does land. I don't honestly care because we've literally had so much plane spotting today. Plane spotting's fun, I'm really thrilled. If we can stay for long, I'll also be thrilled. Now, I have something scheduled for you guys. At around March 2025, I reckon I'll be able to do a live stream. I'll try to get a live stream on a video, but I'll get a live stream of plane spotting action at Sydney Airport. I go on the Sydney Airport on March 2025, and I'll be at the Beech plane spotting area at around March. When I'll post on my community I'll post on my community. So Beech, stay tuned in March 2025, and I'll tell you when I'm doing it. Not landed here. Guys, after a long time, I'm back here because we're going to move on over. We've got a Beech park in there right there. It's going to be taken. So I can't. Been doing some mad Facebook videos. You can literally see the size. Oh guys, we're about to recreate the Death Stare. But except it's behind and they're about the same size. There's actually a yellow Piper over there, something diamond. So it's that interesting. Just going to take off that way. So I'll meet you back and then we're going to watch the take off. Before we go back over here, we have one over there. And we also have one from Tamworth. VH83B, it's a flight school in Tamworth. There's the Latitude we saw. There's one. Get a quick close-up look. Too long. As you can see, there's Beech Craft King turning around. That's that. So let's quickly show you. you see that? Trying to follow the speed section. It's all blurry. Sorry guys. Oh, it's focusing. Bloody gate. Sorry guys. Bloody iPhone. Oh. Now this is where we're going to say goodbye for real. I've actually spoken see you later. Look, we've got a funnel. That pipe over there is got me up. I'll meet you later. Diamond. There we go. Little yellow platform short. Hello, Latitude. This isn't one. No, 5 there. Wait, is that 5 there? There goes this one. Oh. This one's in the sticks. There goes one. Here you go. Yeah. VH8. VH. I know it's been so long, but we still got something to go. We've got a plane collecting data to go. This is actually VH New South Wales. It matches our state. But let's go watch it. Now, I don't know where this is coming in. Where it is, because it's off radar and I haven't looked at it for. Oh, it's right there. Never mind, sorry. Sorry we didn't get to watch. Now that taxiway is blocked, so I don't know what this can do. Looks like it's going to be taking the other taxiway. I don't know what this red plane over here is waiting and doing. Why is that gone? Yeah, red plane's moving. Now this VH New South Wales is doing something. There goes the red one. Go back to Tamworth. See ya. There goes the red one. That was going back to Tamworth. Now, if you may be wondering why they're going in different directions, not one matching the wind. I think there's actually no wind, so they're just gonna go according to where they're gonna go or where they depart. So we've got yet another plane. Guys, today's just been mad. Please like and subscribe. I went through an hour for you guys. And for myself, I guess. New South Wales, you see that? Final Latitude. Now I like the general aviation planes because they aren't that loud. One swan and that. Amazing day. It looks like there's no other planes coming. It's been an amazing day. I just want to say thanks for joining me. It has been a pleasure. Yeah, I'll see you later. It doesn't look like there's any more action. I mean, if it's like there's more diamonds. Yeah, I've seen all the diamonds today. It looks like that the New South Wales stopped. There's been a lot of diamonds today. We've even today, from Port Macquarie, they sent over Australian International College. So it was actually Australian, the National College, that got sent over from Port Macquarie to Moree, but that one has left, and it took off while I was at home. Yeah, so earlier, like 2 hours earlier, we had a lot of plane spotting adventures, and yeah. So guys, I just wanna, there's the Latitude, I just wanna give you a final look at Latitude. Alright, let's go, one more taking off. That's the PA. Today's going to wrap us over today. Now it looks like we've got it, since it's taking off that way and Tamworth is over that way, looks like we've got some wind for ourselves now. You know, I can feel the wind. So I'm going to wrap it up here. It's been a privilege plane spotting. Yeah, it's been an awesome day. Like I might come back here at 4 and do some plane spotting.